문장만 기억하면 1년 뒤에는 1825문장을 알게 돼요. 일단 함께 해봐요.
1. In the cold light of day.
이성적으로 판단해보면 곰곰이 생각해보니
This morning, in the cold light of day,
We must face certain facts in the cold light of day.
Not in the cold light of day.
2. Anytime soon.
곧바로
Anytime soon.
Not anytime soon.
Not anytime soon.
3. Happily married.
행복한 결혼생활, 금슬 좋은
I'm happily married.
I'm happily married.
We're all happily married.
4. On the wagon.
금주 중인
unfortunately, I'm on the wagon.
Hang on to the water wagon, old-timer.
You promised to stay on the wagon.
5. First things first.
급한 일부터 먼저
First things first.
First things first.
First things first.
오늘도 수고하셨어요. 행복한 하루 되세요.
Well done. Keep it up.